Ever had a power cable break and wondered if you had to replace your entire device or power supply? What if you could fix it quickly, without spending a fortune? This power cable replacement is exactly what you need to get back up and running, fast and hassle-free. I learned this the hard way when my husband accidentally stepped on the power cord for my HP Envy X360. The grounding piece on the plug snapped off, and I was worried I'd have to buy a whole new power supply. Luckily, a friend pointed out that I only needed to replace the cable itself, not the entire unit. This cable fit perfectly, just like the original, and worked flawlessly from the first plug-in. It saved me time, money, and the frustration of downtime. This power cable works seamlessly with most PCs, monitors, scanners, and printers. It features a standard grounded NEMA 5 to 15P plug on one end and an IEC 60320C13 connector on the other. Simply connect the female C13 to your device's male C14 panel connector. Then plug the NEMA end into any standard US-AC outlet, UPS, or power source. It's designed to handle up to 10 amps or 1250 watts at 125 volts. So it's built for reliable, safe performance. If you're dealing with a damaged or worn-out cable, this replacement is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to save time and avoid unnecessary expenses.